Hello everyone, my name is Talib Sayed and I hope you all are staying safe in your homes. In today's times, where all of us are sitting in our homes, lying in beds all day long, it is important to maintain the extensibility and strength of our neck muscles so that we do not face dizziness or neck pain of any sort, and it will also help us to work at our homes more efficiently. So let's look at some of our exercises and how we can do that. Stretch your left side neck muscles by applying pressure using your right hand, and stretch your right side neck muscles by applying pressure using your left hand. Make sure your fingers are always in front of your ears for proper stretch. 10-second hold should be provided and 3 reps on each side. Tilt your head slightly to your right, bow down gently, and apply pressure in the downward direction. Follow the same procedure for your left side now. 10-second holds and 3 repetitions for each side. Use your neck muscles to tilt your head to the right while applying left-sided force using your right hand at the same time. This will activate your muscles without moving your head. Use the same procedure for the left-sided tilt as well. 10 contractions should be maintained for 2 to 3 reps on each side. Now use the same contraction method for downward neck movement and resist it using your hand. Make circles with your neck slowly, clockwise and in anti-clockwise direction. Normal breathing should be maintained at all times during this procedure. Push your head horizontally backwards using muscles at the back of your neck. Care must be taken to prevent upward and downward head tilt. 20 repetitions should be performed spanning 1 minute of time. You can use your fingers to adjust this movement and make sure that your head moves horizontally. Hey guys, hit the like button if you liked our video. Subscribe to our channel if you want to stay updated to many such videos, and hit the bell icon for many more updates from our channel, the Social Media Influencers.